Let's face it, agriculture has changed. You don't just run a farm anymore. You run a sophisticated operation. In many ways, your farm is a factory. You have operating costs, raw materials, and a final product. How you manage these factors directly impacts your bottom line, and most importantly, your way of life. The more profitable you are, the easier it is to pay down debt, expand your facilities, raise a family, and save for retirement. The question you need to ask yourself is, am I making the right decisions for my farm, my family, and my future? At Axis Seed, we can help you answer this question because we're a family-owned business, just like you. You only get 40 to 50 cropping opportunities in a lifetime. When you think about your farm like a factory and you choose raw materials that produce more ears per acre, you can make the most out of every single one. Want to discover the key drivers influencing your return on investment? Contact your local Axis Seed owner today.